This is Drew Urasek from the Complete Investor, joining the Bubba Trading Network and community on this Memorial Day. Normally I do gold updates on Saturdays, but I'm joining you today. I have the ability to broadcast live here from Evanston, Illinois, and give you a gold update. Weekly I follow the markets and give these updates to Bubba and Bubba Trading. And again, I'm joining you on this Memorial Day, wishing all your families the best on this holiday weekend. But today's got a lot of stuff going on with gold, even though the movement hasn't been there, gold and silver. Before I go into the charts and what's going on, my company, The Complete Investor, I'm the founder and managing director of the company. We've been in business in gold, myself personally, since 2010, helping people protect their retirement accounts with physical precious metals, real gold, real silver, since 2016. I've helped literally thousands of people protect tens and tens of millions of dollars with real physical precious metals. And a lot of people don't know you can actually own real gold, real silver in your retirement account. It's a tax-free, penalty-free move. You lose no value. You're just moving from paper to physical assets. And why might you want to do that? Well, we are nearing almost $40 trillion in debt right now. And every time our country borrows money, the chance of default goes up, not down. And also physical gold, real silver in your retirement accounts, not taxed the same as paper assets, not taxed the same as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, annuities, or even cryptocurrency. And I'm sure in retirement, you'd probably rather spend less in taxes than more in taxes. Also, nobody delivers gold faster, safer, more effectively than us at The Complete Investor. I'm telling you right now, I still don't know of any company that gets real gold, real silver in your hands faster than our company. Gold, silver in your hands in 1 to 2 days. That's it. 1 to 2 days, fully insured. I only also, if you go to my website, thecompleteinvestor.net, I only have 5-star reviews for my clients that work with me. Now, these are the reviews that are on my site, so I put them there. But I encourage you, check me out online, Drew Urasek Gold in any search engine. Drew Urasek Gold in any search engine. I only have 5-star reviews. And the biggest reason is I do 3 things. Number 1, I educate first. I never push anyone into any decision without you knowing fully what you're getting into. 2, I actually don't push you into anything. I support whatever decision you make, and that might be not getting gold, not getting silver. And then 3 is I make myself available. Every one of my clients can reach me literally 24 hours a day, 7 days a week if they need to. I'm also a full service dealer. So not only can I get you into the position, I can also liquidate, usually same day. Again, faster than anybody else. Fair market value, no discounts, no penalties, no fees. Now let's get into gold and what's going on with gold. Well, gold and silver have been in a great range, in my opinion. So gold tested this $4,300 level and has been hovering above $4,500 now for about 2 months. And the longer we stay at this consolidated level, the better chance we have at taking off and reaching new levels. And you don't need to listen to me. You can look up Bank of America's analysts are saying, Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs, they're calling for 6,000 an ounce gold by the end of the year. Now, a lot of people don't know, gold is not tied to our debt, but as our debt increases, gold tends to go up. Also, as volatility increases, as our inability to, or potential inability to pay our debt back, gold goes up, and then also it's a nice hedge against inflation, right? As things cost more, gold tends to go up. So it's a great insulator against inflation, a great protection against our country possibly defaulting on our debt. Why? Because it's not tied to our debt. And the farther we get removed from the ability to pay back our bills, the better chance that gold tends to go up because of that. Now, also silver. Now, silver, I think it got out of range here when it hit that 114 level. We all know that. But again, it's consolidating at this 75 range above the test points of 69 here and 71 here. So we've been now for about 8 weeks staying around the $75 level. I think a great launching point for silver to again reach back up to those $100 levels. So in my opinion, great price points for both gold and silver. Again, you can hold gold and silver in your retirement account. It's a tax-free, penalty-free move. You lose no value. You're just moving from paper to physical assets. And again, why? Well, like I said, we're nearing $40 trillion in debt as a country. Gold and silver is not tied to our debt. It's got its own sovereign value and is globally recognized. And again, not taxed the same as paper assets. Now, if you want to find out more about that, you can reach me at my website, thecompleteinvestor.net. On my homepage, just scroll down to the bottom. If you just fill out a contact form here, I can have a no obligation conversation with you on how gold and silver might fit in your portfolio. Now, I just did a webinar on this, and I can put the content in the link to see the full webinar. But another thing that a lot of people don't realize is that their digitally held portfolios are vulnerable. And as a matter of fact, Palo Alto, one of the leading names in cybersecurity in the entire world, is warning that cybersecurity threats are going to exponentially increase in the next 3 to 6 months. And physical precious metals might be a great way for you to protect yourself against these up and coming cybersecurity threats. Because guess what? You can't hack a physical gold coin. Plus, physical gold in your retirement account is 100% insured. A lot of people don't know this. Your traditional investments inside your retirement account has zero insurance. You can look at the bottom of any statement page and you'll see these words. Your investments have no insurance, can lose 100% of their value. Gold in a retirement account is 100% insured with all risk coverage. Pretty cool stuff. Again, not taxed the same, 100% insured. And again, you can't hack a physical gold coin or silver coin. So pretty cool features. And again, you can see the details. We'll put in the comment section of this webinar the full breakdown of the presentation I did on the up and coming cybersecurity threats and how you can protect yourself with real physical precious metals. But again, going back to, I really like gold at these levels, $4,500 now for a while. I think the next levels up are that $5,000 and $6,000 level. Just again, look up Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo. They're all calling for, especially Bank of America, 6,000 an ounce gold by the end of this year, which in my opinion can happen. That can happen. So your timing to get into gold is great. Silver, again, I know this level here, this 112, 114 level, that was unrealistic, but at 75, I think it's a good price, right? And we've been staying at the $75 level for a while now, about 8 weeks hanging around here. So I do think we can go up from here on silver as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to go to my main website, thecompleteinvestor.net. Again, my main page, any page, but at the bottom you can see that form you can fill out. Have a no obligation conversation with me, talk about your personal situation, how gold or silver might be a fit for you. Might not be, but again, you can have that candid conversation with me. Enjoy the rest of your holiday weekend. Be safe. Talk to you next time.